Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to December Daily Day 2. So here's my entry from yesterday, just the Hello December card, and then the picture of my scrapbook room. My journaling is all done now, so that's all taken care of. So I'm going to flip it over, and I have two 4x6 pockets. Here's my photo, though, and it's 3x4. So some days your photos aren't going to match what your pockets are. And you kind of need to figure that out, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out if I have some sort of 4x6 card that I would like to put in there. Need to find my 4x6 cards. And I'm thinking if I could find something about list or making, I don't know, errands. Sometimes they'll have, certainly not treasuring these holiday memories. I mean, I could just do the December card up in here. This one's kind of cute too, just as a little extra card, or this one. With this one, then I could like just circle a 2 somewhere on here, and then if there is a 2, I'm looking to see. Oh, it's like way over here. Let's see. Oh, here's one. I could circle a 2. This is not a Merry and Bright story. And it's not a magic story. So let me just quick go through. I think I'll save that for a tree. No tradition. These are some of the older cards now. Some of these are actually still two-sided. Little January card. Big December card, but I just did December yesterday, so I don't think. And then those are back. So I'm not finding a 4x6 card that will work. So let's grab my 3x4s and see if I can find. So the story of this is I went to Walmart because I needed to get paper towels for tomorrow, and I had to have them for tomorrow. There was a reason behind that. And I grabbed a couple extra things, some coffee, some Barrettes for work, and then some almond extract. I took the paper towels because I didn't get that in a bag, and left the bag with the other 3 things. So I had to go back to a Walmart when I didn't really want to go back to Walmart. So I'm just going through all my cards here. Bah humbug certainly would work. And then I could journal just a little bit. Let's see. There's some cute little elf references in here. Okay. Oh, what fun would be good. That's more like sarcastic. There's On This Day. There's another, oh, what fun. And then that one I could just, and I certainly didn't enjoy this. Okay, I think I can make this work as it is, right? And that's what I said, let's make these work. So let's see. If we do this, I kind of like the way this looks, but I might want to do it this way. I do kind of like that there's a little maybe bit of red and some green and other colors in this one, because I could do, or we could do it like that. This feels like not very colorful to me, though. That's my only hesitation there. Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, so now the other thing here is what's going on here, because I'm going to have to glue these to the back of this, right? And there's no separation. So you can do this a couple ways. I could take a piece of paper and put it there. I could leave that there, which I'm actually thinking I might. Or the other thing I could do is grab like one of my scraps from yesterday and put that in there. And you don't have to do this to the back side of the card. I usually glue them, my back sides together. Let's see, how do I like, actually I like this idea the best. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue that, and I'll just trim it up. So I need about halfway here, just make sure that's there. Glue my photo down, and I'm kind of mindful about which way this is all facing. little, I'm looking at this, might need to trim just a little bit off the bottom, and I will do that as I'll come back and I'll trim. Because my photo is not quite big enough. I was just thinking if there was a way I could get that, but I don't think I can do that. It's not quite big enough. Okay, and guys, this is not it's not perfection here. This is about getting this project done in all seriousness. Okay, so I'm gonna trim it from this side because I think it's just a little bit easier to see that. And then what I'm going to do, this isn't quite even either, so I'm just gonna trim off this little piece. You'll see me do this a lot where I'll just trim. And there we go. And again, like I said, not about perfection, it's about getting it done. Okay, so I think I'm gonna, yeah, this way's good. Now I need a number 2. So my numbers are here. I'm trying to see, I think I have this, yeah, I have this leftover sheet of numbers here from, I did a project for a friend, and we use these red letters, so let's use some of these up. I'm just gonna put the 2 right down here on the Oh What Fun card. It gives it a little bit of color. And then I'm thinking maybe I should have something on this card, right? Because I can't, there's plenty of room there. So I have one of my rolls of washi here. Ooh, that's cute. So we're gonna do that. I'll just pull this around. And then maybe like something right there. So I have a couple of my, let's see, label stickers here. There's a little currently sticker on here that I think, oh, this is funny. Okay, this sticker says, oh, there's a better one. This one said A Winter Adventure. I was going to put that on, but there's one on the Fa La La Puffy stickers from the December Documented Kit that says, oh, what fun it is. And I'm going to just kind of put that up here right in the middle. And this is all obviously very tongue-in-cheek because having to run back to Walmart was not fun. And then I got distracted, didn't I? I was going to do something else. And you guys, oh, I remember. You guys are all telling me, Kelly, don't forget to put that little sticker up on top on the photo. And I was going to. If working with packaging annoys you because it takes a while to get it open, like this, I can't figure out how to get these stickers open, I would just suggest taking them out, which I might do. There we go. I might do, because that's kind of annoying. And it's just more time, right? Okay, currently, let's see. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Just gonna pop it there. Okay, so that's that part of day 2 done. All right, and then I just have to grab this. And those fit together fairly well, except a little bit on the side here. Fortunately, the thing I have to cut, and I glue these together in my pockets, by the way, because otherwise they slide and you see the white parts of the cards, and sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I tend to do it though. If that doesn't bother you, though, don't worry about it. That's just one extra silly little step that if you don't want to, don't do it. And then I think we're good. That's pretty well done there. So that story is going on the back. And again, I'm going to just journal off camera. I don't need to spend the upload time. By the way, I forgot to tell you about something yesterday. This wood veneer is in the pocket. Sometimes on thicker embellishments, the cards will tend to slide out. So if they do that, and I'm thinking about like the big acrylic words and stuff like that. Let me grab one of those for you so you can see them. They tend to slide out. So like this Good Cheer. I glue these to the outside of the pocket then. So anything that's a little bit more dimensional, I'll glue to the outside of the pocket. I forgot to tell you that yesterday. All right, guys. So guess what? Day 2 is all done. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.